now in the process of replacing the bridge as part of the city's South Capitol Street project, which will be completed in 2021. We ended our inspection in Virginia, checking out the bridges that make up I-95 over Route 17 in Stafford County.
You see the cracking of the deck. Right. That's from water penetration, right? And then the water rusts the steel.
VDOT says the bridges are regularly damaged by overheight trucks hitting the girders, and they've had to make emergency repairs to both bridge decks.
But you can see somebody's already marked where they're going to do some repairs. See the white marks? This hasn't been marked. I have a feeling it was so obvious they realized they were going to do it.
The bridge needs work, but does he think that it will collapse anytime soon? No.
Where does this one rank? Is this probably the best of the three?
It's the best of the three.
Virginia's Department of Transportation tells us it's being replaced. Engineers are prepping the site for construction, and work should be complete 4 years from now. 3 bridges, 3 different parts of town. Kilsheimer says all of them, even with their structural deficiency label, are safe, at least for now. Transportation officials tell me they regularly check the integrity of the bridges that you just saw. And as we wait for the bridges to be replaced, I guarantee to stay on it, keeping government officials accountable to the timelines and advocating to keep us all safe while out on the roads. Larry Miller, WUSA 9.
If you'd like to see what kind of shape the bridges you cross every day are in, head over to our WUSA 9 website or mobile app. We've got the entire report from the Federal Highway Administration there. All right, so the bridges, the roads, the sidewalks, everything is going to get some action tomorrow. If it's not feet, it's brine,
Yeah, it's brine. Yeah. And here's the thing, not in addition to the winter precip tomorrow, and that's a big part of this, our first bout with winter, especially snow, I-81 west. But we also have other aspects of the storm we have to worry about. It's going to have winds up to 30. That could knock down some trees. And it's going to have heavy rain. That could cause flooding. And so we're going to have an impact meter here, not the Bredometer, but the impact meter. Remember Carmageddon? That would be a 10 when you were in your car for 4 to 8 hours. I think more along the lines of a 2 or 3 for this. So if you can telecommute tomorrow, it would be a great thing, because even when it changes to rain, it's not going to be a very pretty day. It's still going to be a tough commute. Okay, Trace 2 1 inch is on our website if you want to study it. Trace 2 1 inch right along I-95 through the district. Now just north, so Silver Spring and over toward, Manassas, back toward Culpeper, 1 to 2 inches. 2 to 4 inches just to the north. And, Adam was talking about Montgomery County having 3 bands in it. Well, the same problem happens in Loudoun County. West of Leesburg, 2 to 4. South of Leesburg, only 1 to 2. Same deal. Along or west of I-81, 4 to 6 inches. That's a much more serious storm in terms of winter out there. And the bullseye has not changed. That is still Oakland to Cumberland. 6 to 10 inches out there. And I really think I-81 and west, you're not going to make it above freezing tomorrow. You may tomorrow night, but not tomorrow during the day. Here are the latest numbers. RPM 2.1 inches for D.C., 0.2 for the GFS, and 1.2 for the European. So not a lot in town. That said, there could be a heavy period of sleet, and sleet are little balls of ice that take a while to melt. So that could cause some problems on the roads briefly, even inside the Beltway if we get a heavy period of sleet. And as we mentioned earlier, it might even have thunder sleet. Arrival time pre-dawn. So it doesn't matter when you get up, it's going to be snowing, sleeting, or doing something. You can get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, it'll be there. Changeover time to heavy rain downtown D.C., 10 a.m. to about 1 p.m. And then it remains a mix all day, north and west, and the roads will be bad west of Frederick and also west of Leesburg. Now, here are the impacts. So flooding, we have a moderate risk of that. Wet commutes, high. I should probably just put extreme for that. Slick roads, moderate, and down trees, moderate because of the northeasterly winds. It's a true nor'easter, very powerful storm, has a lot of moisture, has a lot of energy, and that's why you might hear some thunder tomorrow. All right, 6 a.m. There's a mix downtown. The good news is 37 in D.C. Bad news north, it's right around freezing. We get into the 9 o'clock hour. Now we have snow across the district, and now we're below freezing in Frederick and Leesburg. So 4 times some of the roads could get tricky. But by 1 o'clock, boom, here comes the warm air, even almost all the way to Frederick. So that means it's going to kick over in D.C. 9, 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in Gaithersburg, and it should kick to rain in Frederick by about 1 o'clock, but still remain a wintry mess west of I-81. So 40 tomorrow, 53 morning clouds on Friday, breezy, not bad, and then 54 on Saturday, cool but pleasant. So nice for the Terps. If you're going to tailgate, they'll be in the 40s. And nice for the burgundy and gold, low to mid 50s as well. Low 50s Monday, we'll tuck a shower in there, generally dry and just chilly, but dry next Tuesday and Wednesday.